Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So you've probably noticed things are getting pretty wild in the crypto space again, right? The total market cap just smashed through $3 trillion, and Bitcoin even hit a 7-week high of $94,600. Amidst all this buzz, the well-known analyst Raff Crypto is dropping some serious insights, saying he believes alt season is either already here or super close. Yeah, you heard that right. A lot of us traders have been waiting for altcoins to steal the spotlight back from Bitcoin. And it looks like the stars might finally be aligning for that to happen. I'm Mr. H, your crypto buddy. Welcome to your channel. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button to help the channel grow. According to Raff Crypto's analysis, the market just came out of what he calls a washout phase. You know, that period where negativity was high, trading volumes were kinda meh, and everyone felt uncertain. Well, it seems like things are starting to shift. And interestingly, a big part of this potential shift might be coming from recent political and economic moves, apparently driven directly by US President Donald Trump. Trump's decision to hike tariffs, especially on goods coming in from China, and his pressure on the Federal Reserve, the Fed, to ease up on monetary policy, like lowering interest rates, has definitely created some uncertainty in global markets. But, and this is the interesting part for us crypto folks, if the Fed does give in to that pressure and decides to cut rates or pump more liquidity, cash, into the system, that could be a massive catalyst for the crypto market, especially for altcoins. More money floating around often finds its way into riskier assets like crypto. So, this brings up the big question. Are we going to see history repeat itself in 2025? One of the key things traders watch for alt season is Bitcoin dominance. Basically, what percentage of the total crypto market cap belongs to Bitcoin. In past alt seasons, when Bitcoin dominance dropped down towards the 70% mark, that was often the signal that money was about to flow heavily into altcoins. Right now, BTC dominance is sitting at 64.42%. According to Raff Crypto, this is another sign that alt season could be just around the corner. If you look back at price patterns from 2017 and 2020, the crypto market tends to have these explosive growth phases after a significant downturn or correction. Raff Crypto believes 2025 is setting up to follow that same pattern. A drop, a recovery, and then potentially an explosive rally. On top of that, like we touched on with the Fed, an increase in the money supply often leads to booms in financial markets. If the Fed does increase liquidity due to political or economic pressure, the crypto market stands to benefit big time. This could honestly be one of the key triggers that kicks off a major altcoin run. However, let's pump the brakes just a little bit. While many of us are hyped for altcoins to take off, according to the official Altcoin Season Index, we're technically still in a Bitcoin-focused phase. This index has a specific rule. Alt season doesn't officially start until 75% of the top 50 altcoins perform better than Bitcoin over the previous 90 days. And right now, only 22 of those top 50 alts meet that condition. So what's the final word? While we might not officially be in alt season according to that one index, the conditions are changing rapidly. We're seeing Bitcoin dominance potentially dropping, the possibility of more money being pumped into the economy, and major global events shaking things up. Analysts like Raff Crypto believe we're standing on the verge of a major capital rotation in the market. And this time, it could finally be the altcoins' moment to shine. What do you guys think? Is alt season here? Are you loading up on your favorite alts? Let me know down in the comments.